Les Potton, a Wingley pilot based at Newquay. Been flying since 1989. Well, it's an online service, started in France, I believe. Good idea. It's a little bit like Uber taxis in the sense that they just take a booking fee. And since the CAA relaxed the rules on cost-sharing flights, there was obviously a gap in the market for companies like Wingley to set up with an online booking system. The pilots post the flights that they do, like the scenic flight we've done this morning. I post that online. I do occasionally trips to the Isles of Scilly, but that's a little bit more complicated. And another health warning because you're going over the sea. We carried life raft and life jackets, but it is still a risk because you're going 28 miles over the sea. This is where it gets a little bit unrealistic. You know, there's one on the site now requesting a flight to Edinburgh. Now, I mean, you've had an hour's flight with me today. You wouldn't fancy flying to Edinburgh at 100 miles an hour in the winter, in bad weather and mountains. So people's expectations can be unrealistic.
So it's more for short?
Yes, the longer the trip, the more expensive it's going to be. And for most people, that's uneconomical unless they've got deep pockets. I have quite a few hits for German tourists and French, because Wingley is quite big in Europe. Not so big in this country, because there is a lot of negative feelings about Wingley in this country. Not here at Newquay. Newquay are very supportive of what I do because they know I'm not running a business, we're just doing cost-sharing flights. But some airports have banned it. They don't like people just turning up and also, of course, you've got commercial operations. And of course, if I'm just doing cost-sharing flights and they're doing it as a commercial business, they've obviously got to charge more. I don't think you can stop it now. You know, once the CAA agreed to it, it was an EU directive, I believe, and now the genie is out of the bottle sort of thing, so everybody will be doing it because it helps people stay current. There is a positive side. A trip like today, I wouldn't do on my own because I've done it so many times before. But when you can take other people and show them Cornwall from the air, you get a buzz, you know, the same as you hope the people do as well.